Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at these Gateron Ink Black Baltic edition. So these are a recolor of the Gateron Ink Blacks. I personally have never used Ink Blacks, so I'm excited to test these out. I lubed and filmed some of them already, but I also have some of them not filmed and lubed. So currently on the keyboard, all of the alphas, like the letters, are stock, and then everything around it I have lubed and modded, and I did this for the type test. So at the moment, neither are any of these mods. These are all stock switches right now. But yeah, honestly, I really like these switches. They're beautiful right now. So stock, they're alright, but any switch stock to me is just iffy. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a stock type test so y'all can see what they sound like. And then we will do a fully lubed and modded type test once I get the rest of these alphas lubed and modded. So here it goes, guys. The keyboard I'm going to be using for this type test is my Mode 65. It has a brass bottom plate and aluminum top case, and then the plate is FR4. I actually have plate foam and the mute silicone at the bottom, so it might sound a little pingy, maybe not. But here you go. Let's get this type test going.